Today, I'm going to teach you how to animate like a pro in Canva using match and move transition. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use a match and move transition to create a smooth animation with confidence. Let's begin. I'll start by dragging and dropping an image onto my canvas. In this case, let's go with a bowl of ice cream. I'll place this ice cream image right here and duplicate the page. Then I'll go to the second page and move this other ice cream image right here. And this is the part where we access the match and move. To access it, you just simply hover your cursor between the pages like this and wait for the transition icon to pop up and click it. Once the transition panel pops up, just click match and move. When you hit play, you'll see it's running smoothly. So now we're done animating positions, but on top of that, you can animate other properties. Using the same element, we can animate scale. Here's how to go about it. Let's increase the size of this image. Hit play and see the transition. We can also animate rotation. All you simply do is go to the same element, rotate it to whichever angle you want it, and hit play to see the outcome. Again, using the same element, we can animate transparency. On the first page, click the element, go to transparency, and set it to 0. When you hit play, you get that smooth transition. Now to yet another thing. I'll drag and drop this image onto my canvas and remove the background. Let's increase the image size, drag it to the left, and leave out this transparent section within the frame. Then I'll duplicate the page, go to the second page and drag this image into the frame like this. Now, if you hit play, this is how the transition will look. Perfect. You may want to retain the image background to create the animation. In that case, you'll approach it differently. You'll go to Elements and choose a shape. Let's go with a square shape. This is where it gets interesting. Now, place the square at the edge of the image like this and make it transparent. You can duplicate the transparent square and place it on the other side before highlighting and grouping all the elements together. Now, you can drag the image to the left and ensure the transparent section stays within the frame like this. I'll duplicate the page and, like I've shown you before, drag the image on the second page inside the frame. When I hit play, the transition will perfectly move to my satisfaction. Now, let's try something different. I'll pick my 3 image elements and place them at different positions within the canvas. I'll duplicate the page, go to the second page and rearrange the elements differently from the first page. Likewise, I'll duplicate the second page and rearrange its elements to my liking. I'll go and add match and move transitions to all the pages. And when I hit play, here's the result. Alright, let's move to something different. I'll go to Shapes, choose a circular shape and place it right at the center of the frame. I'll increase the shape size like this, then go to Text and type my text. Then change the font and the color of the text before going to Effects and choosing the Curve effect. Let's place the text right on top of the circle and add another text. I'll copy the style from the other text, rotate it and place it at the bottom like this. I'll click the circle and set the shape's transparency to 0. Then select all elements and group them. Let's increase the image and place it in this form, then duplicate the page. I'll go to the second page and rotate the image to around 179 degrees. Now, when I hit play, here's my result. Check out the other projects that I've used the match and move transition. If you want more of this magical design content, please like and subscribe.